Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a jacket inspired by Staedtler from Inside Job. This jacket is both inspired by his robe from the first episode as well as his tie. So what you're going to need is a purple jacket. I got this purple windbreaker from Amazon. Next you're going to need some gold fabric. I got this from Joann's. And you need some thread, and it doesn't really matter the color thread, it's just whatever you prefer. So first off, I measured how long I wanted the strips to be. For the cuff, I made it 1.5 inches wide and 9 inches long. For the shoulders, I also made it 1.5 inches wide and 20 inches long. Once those are measured, cut them out and hem the top and bottom with fabric glue. This is the first and last time you guys will see this glue bottle because this project absolutely destroyed it. After I had the strips, I seam ripped the sides of the jacket so I can slip them in and then sew it together. As you can tell, it was a pain to sew. It should look like this. Then I did the same with the shoulders. I hand sewed these since it was a bit hard getting it on the machine. Next, for the designs, I drew them out on Procreate on my iPad. Then I printed them out on iron-on transfer paper. Next, I cut them out with some scissors and an X-Acto knife. Since I wanted the back design to be larger than a piece of paper, I printed my design in 2 parts. Do the same thing with the eye. Next, follow the directions on the iron-on transfer paper. I use an iron and parchment paper. Once the designs are bonded to the fabric, cut them out. Since the ink dulled out the blacks a bit, I went over the black lines with black fabric paint. I also painted the edges for a cleaner look. Now this is when I would have glued on designs and called the jacket done, but I didn't really like how it was looking. The sleeves looked pretty messy and the hand stitching was pretty wonky, as well as I messed up with the machine and had to seam rip some threads on the front of the jacket, and it just left little holes and it looked really noticeable, so I decided to start from scratch. I would like to interrupt this video for this week's sponsor. I don't even post every week. This video is sponsored by me. So I recently created some pins with the help of my friend Sage, and I've listed them up on my Mercari site. Link is in the description if you want to get some really cool inside job pins and also not scary farm pins. More products will be available soon. Now, back to the video. I ended up gluing the strips instead of sewing it, as it gave a cleaner look. It was a lot easier, and I didn't have to worry about my stitches being straight. It was also a lot faster. Then I just sewed the sides closed. And last but not least is to glue on the front and back designs. And after that, the jacket is done. I'm really glad I redid the jacket. I think it turned out a lot better. Let me know what you guys think, as well as what you think of content like this on the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.